This video will show you how to mount and install a First Alert SC5 battery smart smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Mounting the alarm is the last step of the entire setup process. Included in the box is the alarm, a mounting plate, pre-installed batteries, mounting screws, and a quick start guide and manual. Additional materials needed that are not included in the box are a Phillips screwdriver and a pen. You will also need a sturdy ladder tall enough for installation. Before getting started, write the installation date, replacement date, and location on the back of the new alarm. Also ensure the pre-installed batteries are properly installed in the alarm. Before mounting the alarm, download and install the First Alert app from the Google Play or the Apple App Store. Create an account and sign in. Follow the instructions in the app to complete the device install and setup. Remove the battery tab to wake up the device. The app will prompt you when to remove the battery tab. You must use the mounting plate that comes in the box. If you are replacing an expired Nest Protect alarm, you can install the new SC5 battery alarm on the existing mounting plate. Using the Phillips screwdriver, install the mounting plate with the provided screws. Line up the 3 tabs on the back of the alarm with the notches on the mounting plate. Hold the alarm against the mounting plate and turn it clockwise until square with the wall or ceiling. Always test alarms to make sure they are working properly. Tap the center button of the device to initiate the test. You will hear 3 beeps, a pause, and 3 beeps again for smoke.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test will start in 5 seconds. Press to cancel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing smoke.
You will hear 4 beeps, a pause, and 4 beeps again for carbon monoxide.
Testing carbon monoxide. Highest level of carbon monoxide was 0 ppm. Attempting interconnect test. This may take a minute.
During the testing sequence, the alarm will also announce the highest level of ppm and perform a test on all interconnected alarms. To cancel the test, press and release the center button while test is in progress.
Test complete. Everything looks good.
The SC5 requires setup in the app and connection to Wi-Fi for smart features, but will still alert if smoke or carbon monoxide is detected. You may also test the new alarms in the First Alert by Residio mobile app.